Hey, welcome back, you guys. This is Sean and Alice, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty, and thanks for popping by the channel today. We're gonna show you around
Andrews Plantation.
I almost said Hawk something or other. No, I remember now, we're in Andrews Plantation. This is a new subdivision that D.R. Horton is building. So let's jump straight into it. This is gonna be a drone tour of this subdivision. Alice, go ahead and take it away. Tell us a little bit about this place that we're at.
Well, you're probably reading my mind because Andrews Plantation is right in between Hawks Landing and Cameron's Crossing.
Gotcha.
Kind of in front of Mole Highlands. So we off Highway 389.
We're kind of real close to 390 as well, correct?
That is right. That is right. Keep going down the road and you're gonna hit 390. And you can either, go to Panama City Beach off 390, about 30 minutes that way. So Andrews Plantation is a D.R. Horton brand new homes. The main street is Cason Circle. I always had a hard time saying that. There are 86 lots in this subdivision.
Right now I got center of screen, the model home here.
So we got, currently the stat says we got 4 properties under contract. So we have 86 lots in the subdivision, 4 under contract. The house that is standing in right now is the one that we have under contract closing tomorrow. So 7 properties for sale and there's 35 lots left. Currently the availability is that we have 3-bedroom house for $264 is the lowest price point, and a 4-bedroom is $293, which is the highest price point here. The houses are completely brick on the outside. They have granite countertops. They're absolutely beautiful. Inside, I love the flooring, vinyl plank all around.
That stuff is pretty cool because it's like a luxury vinyl plank, right?
Yes, on all the main living areas. And
so if the dog knocks over the water bowl or you leave a icy cold iced tea sitting on the floor and it gets condensation that gets on the floor, it's not going to bubble it and ruin the floor,
right?
Which is cool. Cleans up real easy. You can run a robot vacuum around on it every day while you're gone. And speaking
that's what
of
we
which,
do in our house.
Yes, and we only have 2 cats, but yet that little trap that the little robot vacuum has seems to collect and get full every single day.
It always mesmerizes me. So the HOA here is $685 a year. There are no community pools, but if you get one of the lots, the inside lots, there's plenty of room for you to put your own pool in it. The elementary school is Deer Point, middle is Moa, and high school is Mosley.
Very cool.
So the promo that D.R. Horton is running right now, if you were on contract by June 30th and close by July 24, you get 5,000 flex dollars, which you can use for wash and dryer, refrigerator, not mini blinds, the vinyl faux wood blinds,
okay.
White ones, they're nice. It's good to have privacy with that. Or you can just take it off the price, whatever you want to do. You also get 10,000 closing costs if you use DHI mortgage, but you must close by July 24. Well, we're closing on this one tomorrow, but if you're looking for another one, we will be happy to help you.
Right on, you guys. So if you like this video, check out our playlist of other drone tours that we've done. Sorry if I'm stammering a little bit. I'm trying to get the drone home here and we'll say goodbye.
Okay guys, our contact information is below. You can hit subscribe button and give us a shout.
Bye for now.
Bye bye.